Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Erica at Catherine Pooler Designs. I am stoked to be with you today and share with you a really fun project Catherine created recently using the Folk Star Layered Stencil. This 2-layered stencil gives you lots of option for color combos, so Catherine chooses a complementary color combo of pink and green. And she started out by blending the It's a Girl ink over the star portion of the stencil. And she used a large blending brush, which is the best way to cover large areas. And then she comes in with her detailed blending brushes and grabs that party dress to add a little shadow area. So she concentrated the shadow around the center of the star shape. She's adding a bit more here and there to build up the interest and give these stars or flowers a bit more dimension. This is just going to be so beautiful, and I cannot wait to see the big reveal. Oh, wow. I just love it. It's so pretty. Now she comes in with the second layer to this layered stencil and gets that all lined up with her already stenciled images. And then she went with the detail blending brush again to start adding in the lime Rickey to fill in the background, but realized that wasn't the best tool for the job. Grabbed that large blending brush again and got busy adding in her green. I think this is gonna look like poinsettias. These complementary colors are really, really beautiful together, and it has a cool holiday look. And so Catherine wanted to finish that off with some mistletoe from the Holly Jolly stamp set, and then add some little embellished details with her Nuvo metallic pens. Then she put some glue in the center of each of the flower areas and added sparkling sugar sparkles. This is from Wow. These are absolutely beautiful chunky glitters, as well as a few sequins just to finish that off. Then she came back and did another one with a more traditional winter color combo using Wintergreen, Seafoam, Sea Glass, and Bay Breeze. Just grabbed those colors right off of the color wheel, added her deer with the bronze ink, and you guys, isn't that a stunner? I love that this stencil has like a star vibe. Maybe it's a snowflake, maybe it's a flower. I mean, you really get a lot of possibilities. So here are a few more samples of cards that our brand ambassadors made using different color combos with the Folk Star Layered Stencil. You can pick colors that feel traditionally wintry to you, or even go out on a limb and do something brighter, like this card with lemongrass and eucalyptus. Really, really beautiful. I just love them all. So that is it today with that gorgeous Folk Star stencil. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you again soon.